And there we can see we've masked up the rim, masked up all the spokes and painted the rim. Of course, when it finishes, it looks like this, like that. Like that. Ready to be put in the frame. All of the other bits are ready. Literally, that's the next thing. Put the back wheel in the frame. So today we're going to fit the rear wheel. So there's the wheel with the disc fitted and the rim nicely painted. Cush drive rubbers fitted, and now the sprocket carrier and sprocket, nice new sprocket, new bolts, ready to rock. And there is the rear wheel, ready to go. The wheel now slides gently into position. So we're then in a position to offer up the axle. A little bit of wiggling, in it goes. Fit the nut very lightly, because now we've got to adjust the tension on the chain, and to do that these little holes here enable you to see what the number is on the adjuster. So you adjust that until you get it. And there, when it's done, smooth, we look at the correct alignment on both sides, make sure it's the correct distance there. 30mm it says on there, that's what that is. And now the rear wheel is on, adjusted and tightened. So now the bike is a roller. Now that she's a roller, she can see the sun for the first time in a while. See the sun. And doesn't she look nice? It's always good before you put all of the bits and pieces on, just in case there are any issues, and then you can take it apart without having to remove all of the fairing and whatever. She does look nice. But now I've got it to this stage, all I've really got to do now is reconnect the instrument panels and the clutch switch, etc. Already put all the clutch and all that back on, and then we can start her up and listen to that engine purr. So everything is now reconnected. The tacho, the speedo, all the wires. I mean, something will probably go wrong, even if it's right now, it'll probably go wrong once you start operating the bike. It takes a little while to get these things sorted out. Everything's there as it should be. The clutch cable has been reconnected, rerouted, operates normally. So the next thing, fit the tank. We topped up with water, we topped up with oil, fuel in the tank, battery's fully charged. So we can fit the tank and then go for the startup. Temporarily fitted, haven't bolted it down obviously, just reconnected the fuel, and just so we've got fuel supply, so I'm going to take that off afterwards. And now, just a final little look round the bike, just before we listen to it bark, hopefully, for the first time in ages. And then obviously if it runs all right and everything's okay, then we can dress it. Lights off, ignition on. There you go, straight away, problem. That's the seal in the back of the pump.